It's a pleasure to be here today. ఇలాంటి పని చాలా మంది చేయరు ఎందుకంటే చాలా గొప్ప పని. A lot of people don't dedicate the amount of time and effort it takes to do such a great and hard work. So I really applaud you for that, and it's one of the greatest pleasures for me to be here today and experience this with the kids, and just an all-around honor to be here.